Thinking about pursuing a career in nursing? Look no further, because at Arizona College of Nursing, we are dedicated to helping you earn your Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree and preparing you for the NCLEX-RN exam. Here's a sneak peek of where your journey will take you. Receive a hands-on education from faculty instructors who have clinical experience in their field of specialization. Examine different specimens up close in the science lab and use 3D models to visualize human anatomy. Learn practical skills such as checking blood pressure, performing CPR, inserting an IV, and drawing blood in Skills Lab. In the simulation lab, you'll be placed in real-life scenarios with patient simulators that mimic live patients. Get hands-on experience in challenging situations, like assisting a mother giving birth or managing a patient in cardiac arrest. Outside of the classroom, you'll have access to one-on-one tutoring, group tutoring, or workshops through the Learning Resource Center. You'll also have access to private huddle rooms where you can meet with other students. Enjoy your time between classes in our lounge areas. Choose from the quick meal options or visit restaurants close to campus. We want to see you succeed. That's why we work hard to set you up for success at every step of your journey. Our admissions and financial aid teams are here to assist you as you complete your Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree. Start your journey today at Arizona College of Nursing.